back to the channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. In this video, we are creating the one last API that is called Get All Contact Details. So let's create the APIs. So last API is Control M, uh, public response entity, response structure, and the value is many. That means that the value will be more than one. Okay, so for that we need a list will be stored lots of values at a time. So list of contact, contact, get all contacts. Inside of this, create the response structure, list of contact, contact structure is equal to new response structure and with semicolon. Then after this, just a list of contact. Then okay, I did not import this. So make sure the list will be a java.util package. So import the java.util package. As you can see here, the list of org.hibernate.mapping is also present. You don't have to import this one. You have to import the list of java.util package. Contact is equal to contact repository, and I want to search that method called all. As you can see here, there are too many methods is present, and here see that the find all method is present. Just select this find all and enter it. Okay, I am getting the data right now. So, but here you have to receive contact details. So contacts. Okay. After this, just if receive contacts is greater than 0, sorry, not like that, contacts dot size is greater than 0, then what you have to do? You have to print all the data, get all the data. So structure dot set message, sorry, dot set message will be a contacts and the contacts found, therefore will be found. After this structure dot set data, receive contact details, structure dot set the status code, http status dot okay dot value. After this, return it. So return new response entity. Okay, wrapped with the structure, comma http status response. Sorry, http status. Okay, dot okay, and with semicolon. What if not present? You have to throw the error. Throw new contact not found exception error. Contact contact not found and with semicolon. Okay, this API is also done now. Now just first copy this first line, Control C, go to the contact controller, and here just paste the first line and return contact service dot get all contacts details. Okay, Now it is all, this is also the get mapping. So at the rate get mapping, and I don't want to give any path of this URL. I want to get all the details at the default path. Okay. Now this is done now. So control M, go to the main page, and just here run as a Spring Boot app. After this, okay, application to remove. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, the network is gone now. That's why. Oh, again, it happens because of here. It automatically importing most of the time. When I click to the control space and enter it, something happen. So that's why. See, this private will be coming here. Remove this one. I don't want you to, bro. Okay. Now let me restart this server. Okay, it's running now. Let's go to the Postman and check am I getting all the details or not. Before that, let me save our data. So the data is currently what the type of data? Sila. Okay, let's save the Leila as well. Send it. Okay, saved it. Just come here, check that. Yeah, the two values is present. Now let's move to the Postman. Next URL is a default URL, that is a HTTP localhost 8080 slash contact. Send it and see the contact details found. That is a ID1 Sheila Leila related things. Now we are getting done of this project. If you want to the another related APIs, you can create it inside of this to know that. Let's suppose I want to get details by the name. You can go through this. So I just give you that one single line. You can do your own way. I just give you the homework that is same as control C, control V, and that only one thing will be there, name. And the method name is search by name. Okay. I just give you the hint. Is here you have to write the query at the rate QUERY query. And inside the query, in the one line of what will be there, just will be a select. Okay. SELECT select. Okay. From from and where. Okay. I just give you a hint. That much of thing is there in the this for this. So I just want to see this your homework how to complete this API. Okay. Now this project is done. Everything is done now. That's all about in the video. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. I will making these kind of videos in every single day. If you are learning Spring related things, you can subscribe my channel. Also, I can uh, make the videos on Java related topics and the SQL related topics, web technology related topics in the later videos. So thanks for watching Coding Pill.